Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of one of the most iconic brands in the world, Pepsi. You might think you know everything about this fizzy favorite, but trust me, there's a lot more to the story than you'd expect. So, grab a cold drink, sit back, and let's uncover the surprising history of Pepsi that you had no idea about. It all started way back in 1893, when a pharmacist named Caleb Bradham from New Bern, North Carolina, created a unique soda fountain drink. Originally called Brad's Drink, it was designed to aid digestion and boost energy. Sounds like the original energy drink, right? But here's the kicker, Caleb didn't just want to make a tasty beverage. He believed his drink had health benefits, thanks to ingredients like pepsin and cola nuts. And that's where the name Pepsi comes from. Pretty cool, huh? By 1902, Caleb officially trademarked the name Pepsi-Cola, and the brand began to grow. But success wasn't always guaranteed. In the 1920s, during World War I, sugar prices skyrocketed, and Caleb was forced to sell the company. Pepsi even went bankrupt not once, but twice. Can you imagine? One of the biggest brands in the world today was once on the brink of disappearing forever. But here's where it gets interesting. Pepsi made a huge comeback during the Great Depression. How? By offering a 12-ounce bottle for just 5 cents, the same price as a 6-ounce Coke. This genius move made Pepsi the affordable choice during tough times, and it quickly became a household name. Fast forward to the 1970s and 80s, and Pepsi was ready to take on its biggest rival, Coca-Cola. This was the era of the infamous Cola Wars. Pepsi launched the Pepsi Challenge, a blind taste test that showed people actually preferred the taste of Pepsi over Coke. The campaign was a massive success and put Pepsi on the map as a serious competitor. But the rivalry didn't stop there. Pepsi also signed some of the biggest celebrities of the time, like Michael Jackson, Lionel Richie, and even Madonna, to star in their ads. These campaigns were iconic and helped Pepsi dominate the youth market. Talk about a power move. Over the years, Pepsi has continued to innovate. From introducing Diet Pepsi in the 1960s to launching Pepsi Max and Pepsi Zero Sugar, the brand has always stayed ahead of the curve. And let's not forget their global impact. Pepsi is now sold in over 200 countries, making it one of the most recognizable brands in the world. But here's something you might not know, Pepsi was actually the first American product to be produced and sold in the Soviet Union during the Cold War. In fact, at one point, Pepsi had one of the largest naval fleets in the world because of a unique barter deal with the USSR. How wild is that? Today, Pepsi is more than just a soda, it's a cultural phenomenon. From sponsoring the Super Bowl halftime show to partnering with global influencers, Pepsi continues to stay relevant in a fast-changing world. And let's be real, whether you're Team Pepsi or Team Coke, there's no denying the incredible journey this brand has been on. From a small-town pharmacy to a global powerhouse, Pepsi's story is a testament to resilience, innovation, and a little bit of marketing genius. So, what did you think? Were you surprised by any of these Pepsi facts? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.